Hello, my name is Jason and I'm the Creative Marketing Specialist at Milc Group. Over the last week, we've made 3 exciting feature announcements within our herd management software, One Animal. First, Milc I.D, our new cow identification system that delivers up to 99.9% accuracy right at the stall, giving you real per cow milk data you can trust. Second, ParlorView, live visibility in the parlor so you know exactly which cow is in which stall, along with their tasks and data, all in real time. Third, and definitely not least, meet Mira, our intelligent assistant. Forget memorizing commands, just type or speak in your own words to pull lists, reports, or insights instantly. All 3 work seamlessly inside One Animal, giving you smarter, easier herd management in the palm of your hand. So, join us, because this is just the beginning.